You know, when we think about success, we often envision grand achievements, big milestones, and those moments that make us feel on top of the world. But what if I told you that sometimes it's not the big things holding us back? What if it's the little habits, the silent killers of success that creep into our daily lives and quietly sabotage our progress? Yeah, I know it sounds dramatic, but trust me, it's true. Let's dive into this. First off, let's talk about procrastination. Ah, the old enemy. We've all been there, right? You sit down ready to tackle that big project and suddenly your phone buzzes. You tell yourself, just a quick scroll through social media, and before you know it, hours have passed. Procrastination isn't just about putting things off, it's about the mental toll it takes. It creates this cycle of guilt and anxiety that can be paralyzing. You think you're just delaying a task, but you're actually building a mountain of stress. The next time you find yourself procrastinating, ask yourself, what's really going on? Is it fear of failure? Is it perfectionism? Dig a little deeper, because understanding the root cause can help you break free from that cycle. Now let's move on to something we all love to hate: multitasking. We wear it like a badge of honor, don't we? Look at me, I can do 5 things at once. But here's the kicker: multitasking is a myth. Our brains aren't wired to focus on multiple tasks simultaneously. What we're really doing is switching back and forth, and that constant shifting drains our mental energy. It's not just inefficient, it's exhausting. Instead of feeling productive, we end up feeling scattered and overwhelmed. So the next time you think you're being super productive by juggling a million things, try focusing on one task at a time. You'll be surprised at how much more you accomplish when you give your full attention to just one thing. And let's not forget about the comparison trap. Social media has made this worse than ever. You scroll through your feed and it seems like everyone is living their best life, achieving their dreams, and you're left feeling inadequate. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. But here's the truth: everyone has struggles, challenges, and setbacks. Just because you don't see them doesn't mean they're not there. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, success isn't a race, it's a personal journey. Next up is the habit of not setting boundaries. This one can be a real killer. Whether it's in your personal life or your professional life, not setting boundaries can lead to burnout. You might feel like you have to say yes to every request, every opportunity, but here's the thing: you don't. It's okay to prioritize your time and energy. It's okay to say no. Boundaries are not just about protecting your time, they're about protecting your mental health. When you set clear boundaries, you create space for what truly matters to you. So take a moment to evaluate your boundaries. Are there areas where you're overcommitting? Are there people or situations draining your energy? It's time to take control. Now let's talk about how to overcome these habits holding you back. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. Break down big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Use tools like timers or apps to keep yourself on track and minimize distractions. Practice mindfulness and meditation to stay present and reduce stress. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors who can help you stay accountable. And most importantly, celebrate your small wins along the way. Every step forward is progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and personal growth. Thanks for watching.